Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Sharmit. In this session, we will discuss about another topic related to unstring in COBOL. So far, we have discussed various topics related to unstring, but at that time we didn't discuss about a way through which we can fetch or unstring a variable or a character from a specific position. Okay, so just assume there is one scenario for our project where we are supposed to unstring a string from a specific position. So in that case, how we will use the unstring? So mainly in this session we are going to discuss this thing only, like how we can fetch a how we can process the unstring from a specific position. So for that we are supposed to use unstring with pointer. Okay, so like we will use the exact pointer through from which location we want to fetch the or start the processing for unstring operation. Okay, so to explain this thing in a simpler way, I have already created one example. I'll just quickly walk you through this. Okay, and once it is clear, I'll show you the notes which I have prepared for you. So this is just a small notes which will give you a clarity after we discuss the program. Before we start the session, I just like to mention one thing, like if you haven't watched the previous session, then I recommend you to please go and check out the previously published session, because there we have already discussed all the basic things like the structure of COBOL program, how we declare the variables, and each and everything in a detailed manner. So all these sessions are in a proper sequence and sync. So if you refer those sessions first, then it would give you a clear picture of the ongoing topic, because for now we are just focusing on the unstring with a pointer part. Clear? So let's walk through the code. So here I'm taking option 2 for the program. Here in line number 1 we have initiated the identification division block. This block is mainly used to showcase the program identity related information. So you can see here program ID does pgm1 author texture myth, where program ID is denoting the program name and author is denoting author name, which is texture myth. So this entire block is mainly used is known as identification division block, which hold the information related to program identity. Then from line number 5 to line number 7, we have initiated the comment line. Now, some of you might be thinking like how to start the comment line. So to start the comment line, place your cursor on 7th position so you can count it from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. On this 7th position, when you put asterisk, after that whatever you will write here will be considered as a commented line. Okay, so this is the commented line which I have declared here. Now why do we need comment line? We need comment line just to show you the topic name. So here you can see comment with delimiters. Sorry, unstring with delimiters. Okay. If your comment line is not coming in white color, it's completely okay, because I have implemented some settings here, that's why it is coming in a white color. But if it is not coming in white color, then also it will work in the same manner, so don't get confused here. Okay, now from line number 9 we have initiated the data division block. What is data division block? Data division block is mainly a division where we will declare all the variable under a working storage section that we are going to utilize for our program. Okay, so you can see here working storage section, then we have declared the 3 variables which we are going to utilize. The first one is the str variable, which is a main string variable. So we will just see like how we are declaring the variable and also understand the requirement. So to declare the variable, firstly we need to specify the level number. So here I'm specifying the level number as 01. Then the variable name 01 is denoting the higher data hierarchy only. Okay, then we have str, which is denoting the data name or a variable name. So whenever you want to access this variable throughout the program, you will use only this data name or variable name. Then we have PIC, which is denoting picture clause, X of 40, which is denoting alphanumeric 40 characters. Data type, data name, variable, these things you can decide by your own as per your requirement. Okay, for this example I declared in this way, but as per your requirement you can easily change the data. Okay, then we are using the value clause. This clause is always a optional clause. Here we have specified the value like abc hyphen def hyphen jhi hyphen jkl. Okay, so now I'll explain you the requirement. On this string, we want to perform a unstring operation but from a specific position. In short, you can say I want to fetch only these three character, and I want to start my operation from this position, the position of D. So first thing we need to do is we need to count this value. So count it from here: 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So this is the position which I want to fetch. From here I want to fetch till it reaches this next delimiter value, which is hyphen. Clear? So this is our requirement. Now let's see how we will fetch this value. So as we are going to fetch this value of 3 characters, so we need one variable to store this. So I just declared one variable here with the same manner. You can see 01 is for higher data hierarchy, str1 is for variable name or data name, pic is picture clause, x of 10 is alphanumeric 10 character. Then we need another variable to specify the start position. So for that I just declared the variable with name input pointer. You can change it as per your need, but I just declared in this way. Level number is same 01, which is showing the higher data hierarchy, then input pointer, then pic denoting picture clause 9 and value clause is 5. That means it will start the process from 5th position. Now some of you might be get confused, like why we haven't used the value clause here, because this is a optional clause, okay, and we don't need to specify a value clause always. It is up to you, because we are going to fetch the value in this variable. That's why I didn't include this value clause here. Okay, fine. Now after that, what we are doing from procedure division, we are using the main logic. So inside this procedure division we will write the main logic. So from line number 18 you can see unstring str. Unstring is a keyword, str is the main string from which we want to perform unstring variable operation. Then we are delimiting it by hyphen into str1. If you want to fetch for more variables you can, but right now I'm using it for only one variable. Then we will specify pointer input pointer. So this is the new thing for you. Like if you are referring the all sessions, then you might have noticed that this is the new thing that we are using. Now after performing these 4 lines, what it will do, it will fetch the value of str1 by starting the process from the input pointer value till hyphen, and whatever output we will get from it will be stored into this str1 variable. Then we are displaying both output str1, which is str1, and ptr, just to show you the actual pointer value after processing the value, because pointer value automatically get changed once we process the value. And then we are using stop run to terminate the program. So let's see what output we have got from this. Compiling the code and calling it. So after a call you can see we have got the desired output, which is str1 as def, and it is correct, right? Similarly, if I press enter, you can see now we have got the value as pointer 9. Why? Let's see. Let's understand this thing. So what it do, like we have specified the pointer value as 5. So what it will do, firstly it will go to 5th position. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now from here it will fetch the value till it encounters hyphen. So 1, 2, 3 and then it reaches to encounter the hyphen. So what it will do, it will fetch only these 3 characters and store it into this str1 variable. Clear? Once the data is processed, then it will place the pointer value next to the hyphen, or next to the next character of the hyphen or a delimiter. So what is delimiter? Hyphen. So it will place the cursor here on G. Okay. So count the value 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the pointer value is 9. Okay, suppose we were fetching only for 2 variables. So what it will do, it will fetch the values for these and then it will place the cursor on letter J just after the next delimiter value. So just keep in mind, okay, this is an interview question, that it sets the pointer after processing the word or after fetching the or after processing unstring operation, it sets the pointer to the next coming delimiter value, to the next character of the delimiter value. So if this is the delimiter value, next character is J, so it will set the pointer to J. Clear? Now I'll quickly show you the notes that I have prepared just for recapping all the things. So you can see the pointer option in substring statement specifies the starting position for the unstring operation. This is particularly useful when you want to start processing a string from a specific pointer rather than starting from a beginning, which is correct, right? Then how it works: the pointer option is in the unstring statement specify the starting position for the unstring operation. The unstring starts processing from the character indicated by the pointer, which is correct. The unstring start the then we have in it continues until the it encounters the delimiter, which is also correct. The extractor substring is placed in the target field, correct. The pointer is automatically increased to point to the character after the delimiter, and which I just explained you. Okay, all right, so I hope this session is clear to all of you. In the next session we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching Tech Sharmit.